We're a very well equipped school. We have core facilities. We have facilities where we are able to analyse cellular interactions at a very, very fine level indeed. We have a biomolecular sciences suite where we're able to analyse proteins, protein interactions, mass spectrometry, where we can perform mass spectrometry of proteins to understand their function, to understand how they're modified under certain conditions. We have a cell biology suite. We have cell culture, animal cell culture, where we're able to perform high-end cell biological experiments and understand really truly how they work. And we have a fabulous microscopy suite as well, which covers transmission electron microscopy, confocal microscopy, and live cell imaging. So it really is quite powerful in terms of how we are able to understand how cells work. And of course our students at postgraduate level truly have access to those fantastic facilities, in addition to those that we find in individual research laboratories. The students who are doing a research programme or a PhD, that's like having a job, and it's like having an advisor. And typically, my PhD students, I would probably meet them formally for an hour a week for a formal discussion, but I have an open door policy with my PhD students. They come in and have a 2-minute chat with me on a day-to-day basis, and that's just a relationship that you build on a personal level with a PhD student. For taught programs within the sciences, we would typically have a full day within the laboratory at least of practical training, and then we have seminars built in and around that. So you would be looking at, in seminar terms, probably 6 to 8 hours per week, in addition to a day in the laboratory. And we try as much as possible to timetable those things to allow for the other commitments that students may have outside of their studies.